Struggling to get those perfect curls without spending hours in front of the mirror? Here are the 5 best automatic hair curlers I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Tymo Curl Pro Pink. The Tymo automatic rotating curling iron in pink caught my eye right away, not just for its vibrant color, but for its price point of $59.99. If you want quick, easy curls that look fabulous, this is worth a serious look. This curling iron features one-click auto rotation, making it super simple for beginners. In just 10 minutes, you can have beautiful beach waves. That's a huge time saver for those busy mornings when you're rushing out the door. Plus, the 360-degree anti-scald design means you won't burn your fingers while styling. No more worrying about tangles either. Its intelligent anti-tangle mechanism detects if your hair gets caught and reverses it, which keeps your styling hassle-free. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The T-Gloss tourmaline ceramic coating doesn't just make curls hold longer, up to 72 hours. It also enhances shine and reduces frizz, so your hair looks healthy and vibrant. With over 20,000 units sold in the last month, it's clear this product is making waves. Now, some people complained about the barrel size being only 1 inch, which might not be ideal for those with very thick hair. Here's the thing though, it still creates bouncy curls that last, even for thicker locks. If you're mainly styling medium to fine hair, this won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or someone who just wants quick, beautiful curls without the fuss. Skip this one if your hair is exceptionally thick or long, as it may take longer to style. But honestly, at under $60, it gives you great value for your money. Now, if the barrel size of the Tymo Curl Pro Pink bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its longer barrel design.
Product number 2, Tymo Curl Pro Metallic Gray. The Tymo Curl Pro in Metallic Gray is another fantastic option, priced slightly lower at $56.99. If you want a curling iron that combines efficiency and a sleek look, this is worth considering. Just like its pink counterpart, this curler features one-click auto rotation for super easy styling. The barrel is 1 inch, which is perfect for creating those beachy waves in just about 10 minutes. But what really caught my attention is the anti-scald design. You can style without the fear of burns, which is a huge plus for those of us who are a bit clumsy. The T-Gloss ceramic coating delivers shiny, voluminous curls that last up to 72 hours. You get the added benefit of 500 million negative ions that keep your hair looking frizz-free and smooth. This product has also been flying off the shelves, with over 10,000 units sold recently. That said, some reviews mention that the curls tend to loosen over time, especially for those with fine hair. Here's my take. This may happen, but if you use a good hairspray, you should be able to keep those curls intact for a good part of the day, so it's not necessarily a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want something affordable that still performs well. Skip it if you're looking for tighter curls that need to hold all day long. With a price point under $60, it's still a steal for the quality you get. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those with longer hair. Product number 3, the Tymo Curl Pro Plus Automatic Rotating Curling Iron, priced at $79.99 and designed specifically for long hair. If you have thick or long locks, this is the one you need to check out. The long barrel allows you to style larger sections of hair in one go, making the process faster and easier. This model features a built-in timer that beeps when your curl is ready, so you can say goodbye to guesswork. Plus, with dual heaters, the heat distributes evenly, which means quicker styling without compromising on curl quality. It also promises 72-hour hold, so you can enjoy your curls longer without the need for touch-ups. What's impressive is that it has 600 million negative ions to keep your hair shiny and frizz-free. It's no wonder this model has sold over 10,000 units in the last month. Here's why this matters for you. If you're often late in the mornings, the faster styling means you can get out the door in no time without sacrificing your look.
Now, some users pointed out that it can be a bit heavy compared to other models. Here's the thing though, the weight contributes to the durability and effectiveness of the curling iron, so if you can handle it, the benefits outweigh that minor issue. This is perfect for you if you have long or thick hair and want quick salon-like results. Skip this if you're looking for a lightweight option. At $79.99, it's reasonably priced for the quality and performance. Now, if you want something even more travel-friendly, the next product is designed with portability in mind. Product number 4, SheGlam Automatic Curling Iron. The SheGlam Automatic Curling Iron is priced at just $39.99, making it a fantastic budget-friendly option. If you're looking for an automatic curler that won't break the bank, this is definitely worth your attention. This model heats up in just 60 seconds and has a one-button operation, so all you need to do is place your hair in, press the button, and let it do the work. The anti-burn and anti-tangle designs make it super safe to use even for beginners. You'll appreciate that it comes with 3 temperature settings ranging from 340 degrees Fahrenheit to 410 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to customize it for your specific hair type. With a Gloss Pro ceramic coating, this curler locks in moisture and adds shine, ensuring that your curls look soft and smooth. Given that over 3,000 of these have been sold recently, it's clearly popular among budget-conscious beauty lovers. However, a few reviews noted that it's not as effective on very thick or long hair. Here's the thing, while it may require a bit more time and patience, it can still get the job done if you're willing to put in the effort. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget yet want to achieve beautiful curls. Skip this if you have very thick or lengthy hair, as it may take longer to style. Honestly, at under $40, it's an incredible deal for what you get. Now, if you're looking for another high-performance option, the final product on my list ups the ante with features tailored for long hair. Product number 5, Tymo Curl Pro Plus Long Barrel. We have the Tymo Curl Pro Plus Long Barrel at $89.99. If you have long hair and want a curling iron that can handle it all, this is definitely one to look into. This model is similar to the previous Tymo we discussed, but with a 1 1/4 inch barrel, which is great for longer hair. Just like others, it features auto rotation and a built-in timer, ensuring you get the perfect curl every time. Dual heaters speed up the styling process without sacrificing quality. You'll love that it also boasts a 72-hour hold, making sure your curls stay bouncy throughout the day. The anti-scald design and 600 million negative ions mean your hair won't only be styled, but also protected from damage. Given its popularity with thousands sold recently, it's clear that this product is making an impression. Some users did mention that the price might be on the higher side compared to others. But here's what I think. The performance and results you get make it worth the investment if you regularly style your hair and want it to look fabulous. This is perfect for you if you have long or thick hair and are serious about your curls. Skip it if you want something more budget-friendly. At $89.99, you're investing in a high-quality tool that delivers amazing results. So there you have it, 5 amazing automatic hair curlers that could change your hair game. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Tymo Curl Pro Plus Long Barrel because it's perfect for long hair and offers all the features you need for easy styling. On the flip side, if you're looking to save some cash, I'd recommend avoiding the SheGlam Automatic Curling Iron due to its limitations with very thick hair. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.